Our next lecturer video is on draw the isometric projection of a tetrahedron of sides 45 mm each. You know about what is a tetrahedron? Tetra means is an equilateral triangular having four faces. Hedron means faces, right? How in tetrahedron how many faces are there? See, there is a tetrahedron having a four triangular equilateral triangular faces. Now called as base ABC is a equilateral triangular base and apex O. If you join this from apex to the corner of the base, then you will get what face it is, triangular faces, equilateral triangular faces. Totally how many faces are there? Four faces, four equilateral triangular faces. That object is called as a tetrahedron. The side is how much? 45 mm. 45 mm side. All sides are again equal here. AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CA, that is equal to OA, that is equal to OB, that is equal to OC. All sides are equal, right? Then you'll go for draw isometric projection of tetrahedron. First you go for draw orthographic projections. Now if you view in the top view of the tetrahedron, the base what shape it is? It is an a equilateral triangular base having 45 mm. Here I am considering the base, one of the base edge is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP, but the condition is not given. You can take this condition or else take the base edge is parallel to both the planes, both horizontal and vertical planes, right? Here I'll consider the one of the base edge is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP, right? Now you know how to construct an equilateral triangle ABC. The radius is how much here? 45 mm. The edge is how much? 45 mm. Then you get the center of the triangular base. Take the corner and opposite side middle point and join it. Take the corner, one of the corner and opposite side middle point, then join it. We will get the center of the base and also get apex, right? Corner of the base ABC, apex is O1, base center is O, right? Actually O1 is the base center, O is the apex, right? Make it correction. Then draw the vertical, then draw the front view, right? Where you get true length here? OC, right? Is the true length. Nothing but in front is the O dash, C dash is you get the true length. That already we know the first position of in the isometric projection of solids of tetrahedron, the first position, right? Then you go for draw isometric scale, then you go for isometric projection of tetrahedron. Now again, as you know that whatever the base is a rectangular box which is bound by the base, right? The chord is 1 2 3 4 and give the dimensions of the rectangular the box, that is 40 mm, another one is 45 mm. 1 2 2 is 40 mm, 1 2 4 is 45 mm, right? If you want to center from the one is how much it is? 13 mm. From 1 to C or 2 to C is how much? 22.5 mm, right? Now first transfer this rectangular box on a iso sheet, that is iso horizontal. You get that is 1 2 3 4, this is a iso horizontal. Then as you know that what is 1 is nothing but here again I made a mistake here. 1 is nothing but what? It is B. 4 is nothing but what? It is A, right? Yes, 1 is equal to B, then 4 is equal to A here. Directly will get at the end of the corner of the rectangular base, so rectangular box, right? Then how do you get point C? 2 to C how much it is? 22.5. Convert the draw it on the actual scale, then convert it to iso scale. ISO 22.5. This is the distance is ISO 22.5. From 2 is the center. Draw an arc on the 2 to 3 line. Then you will get the point C, right? Then join A to B, B to C, and C to A. That gives a base of the tetrahedron. Then find the center of the base of the tetrahedron. How do you find? go for again take the corner and the middle of the opposite side. Take any one corner, middle of the opposite side. There's one method. Second method, as you know that from center the O1 to be in a horizontal is almost 13 mm. Current to ISO 30. That ISO 30 draw it on 1 to 2 line, then draw a line, right? Then from center here box, then draw one more horizontal line here. From C, draw a line which is parallel to 1 to 2. The intersection point is get center of the a triangular lamina equal to triangular lamina. Once you get center, that is the O1. From this you draw a vertical line. On the vertical line, how much it is? On the vertical height, how much it is? Height here, it is 36 mm, right? Convert the 36 mm onto the draw onto the actual scale, convert into ISO scale. From O1 is center and draw an arc. O1 is center, draw an arc on the 90-degree line. Then we get O. Then join O2A, O2B and O2C. Then see the outer edges. Here is the observer, right? Here is the observer. Now outer line O2A, A2B, B to C and C to O. Those outer edges are visible. Which is the corner which is near to the observer. B is near to the observer. This corner is visible. Then O to C also visible. What about this one? You can show is a AC is a dashed line. If you want, or else you just grab it, no problem, right? This is isometric projection of tetrahedron. Thank you for watching this video.